All right, so today we're going to be talking about epiphyseal growth plates and the zones within these growth plates and how they work. So, your growth plates are going to be located on the epiphyses of your long bones, and you're going to have a metaphysis end and an epiphysis end. And basically, this just means that the metaphysis end is closer to the diaphysis than the epiphysis end. So, the zone closest to the epiphysis, the outside of the bone, is going to be your resting zone. And in this zone, the cells aren't doing anything, they're not dividing, they are simply in G0 phase. And so from this zone, they move into a proliferation zone. And what happens in this zone is chondrocytes start dividing rapidly and they start to align in these little stacks. And the concept within this zone is that the more cells they are, the more matrix it is making. And so from this proliferation zone, they move into the hypertrophic zone. And hypertrophic literally means swelling. So these chondrocytes actually swell with glycogen. And they actually start to die because they're starved of oxygen and nutrients. And by the way, cartilage has no direct blood supply, therefore it's avascular. So chondrocytes actually require diffusion for their nutrients. And so after this hypertrophic zone, they move into the calcification zone. By the way, these right here are dead chondrocytes at this point. And in the calcification zone, cartilage around the dead chondrocytes start to calcify, and they move into lacunae. Calcium moves into the lacunae that don't have cartilage cells anymore. So after this calcification begins to happen, it moves into this ossification zone. And what happens in this is the lacunae walls start to break down, and your osteoblasts, which build bone, quickly remodel into mature bone. And one important thing to note is that the activity in proliferation phase has to match the activity in ossification zone in order to maintain the epiphyseal growth plate. And that's pretty much it on the zones of the growth plate.